Hello Cambly learners, my name is Zaytoon and I am a tutor on Cambly. Today you will be learning about when to pronounce the letter C as a K or a S sound. Sounds difficult, right? Not at all. Stay with me and you'll find out more. Let's get started. In English, the letter C is mostly pronounced as a K sound, but it can also be pronounced as a S sound. For example, in the word cake, the letter C is a K sound. In the word scent, the letter C is a S sound. So how do we identify this? One simple rule. When the letter C comes immediately before the letters I, E, and Y, it is pronounced as a S sound. In all other instances, it is pronounced as a K sound. For example, CI as in the word city, CE as in the word center, CY as in the word cycle, the K sound, CA as in the word cat, CO as in the word cool, and CU as in the word cup. Now, of course, there are always exceptions to the rule. So let's see. When the letter C is at the end of the word, it is pronounced as a K sound. For example, as in the word relic, medic, and scenic. When the letter CH is at the beginning of the word and in the middle of the word, and it is followed by a vowel, and when it is at the end of the word, it is pronounced as a Ch sound. For example, at the beginning of the word, CH, as in the word chain, chicken. In the middle of the word, CH, as in the word teacher, kitchen. At the end of the word, CH, as in the word teach, reach. When the letter C is followed by the letter K, the C is silent. For example, as in the words clock, dock, and sock. There are many exceptions to the above rules, but you will learn them along the way. I hope you had fun learning with me today. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or your computer. Please schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.